Today's Ferrari is 2018 812 Superfast, which is super fast. And we're going to show you, it has had 2 owners from new. It is Tour de France blue. It is highly optioned and pretty damn cool. So we'll see you in a couple of minutes on the road. All right, well, it is started up, and I see no reason to do a cold start. This is about as new as you get, and we're just gonna drive it until it warms up and show you everything it's got to offer. Well, here we are in automatic mode. As you can see, it's incredibly smooth, incredibly, in comparison to the older and antiquated F1 systems. And if you want to use the paddles, it just gives you instant gratification. And what else can we tell you? We can turn the radio up. So it is one of the best cars Ferrari has ever produced. It does everything right. It is extremely usable, and it is also extremely fast. Alright, so we'll be back to you in a couple of minutes as soon as we're on the farm roads, some back roads, some flybys, the usual. Alrighty, and by the way, look at that, how cool is that? In paddle shift mode because I prefer it. You can just drive it mellow around town as opposed to allowing the car doing it for you. And then when you want to just downshift, you know, into a corner or to accelerate, you can do the same thing. But you can also use the torque and power of the engine even in 5th or 6th gear while you're cruising and just accelerate, because believe me, it's got plenty of grunt. So, but when you're driving on back roads, you can downshift a little bit, you know, they're ready. It's as comfortable on back roads as it is on the motorway. It was like hell. I'm just going to show you what a great chassis it has as well. It just flows through these corners. Cruising with traffic as it would be on the Autobahn. I mean, it really does everything right. In air-conditioned comfort, I don't know if it gets much better than this, but I can say to the most seasoned driver, it is scary fast, and can still sit in Midtown Manhattan traffic. Try that with a vintage Ferrari. We're going to get on the farm road, show you a little bit of its pickup and power, and then dust it off and put it right in the showroom. Well, let's put it in automatic and see. So obviously you can get on it and it just goes. If you stomp on it, it's going to downshift and really go. I think you get how fast it is. So that's with traction on. And again, it's faster than you would ever need on the street. And that's kind of why I like to shift it, because around town you can be in 6th and use the torque, and that's foot to the floor, and it's far more docile. Or 4th gear, it's more fluid as far as I'm concerned, and less scary, because that tree is not going to move. So there you have it, 812 Superfast, 9,185 miles. Great color combination. Super car, super fast, super Ferrari, and we'd love to give it a new home, new loving home. So, see ya.